Hello everyone, welcome back to Luna Rosu. First off, happy belated New Year to everyone. I hope your year has been great so far, but even if it's not, it's fine. We have about 300 over days to kick this year in the butt, so we can do this. Yes, so today I am showcasing my latest my latest journal, which is a fairy themed journal. This one in particular uses, I think, all the papers in my Fairy Dreams digital kit, which is available on my Ko-fi. I'll put the link in the description box down below, and I'm very proud because this is one of my most favorite kits to date, I think. And yeah, so fairy themed, this journal, but not super heavily embellished. There's a few fairy bits here and there, but there's also a lot of florals involved as well. I did not embellish everything. I've left quite a fair bit of room for the future owner to get creative. But I did just a few bits and pieces here and there. Mostly they are floral oriented, not floral oriented, floral-ish fabrics oriented embellishments. Pockets here and there, but not too many as well. And yeah, I haven't done a talk through in the longest time, and it's just that sometimes I feel I might just ramble on too much, but I do miss it. And also, to be quite honest, I'm kind of running out of music to accompany my videos with. But otherwise, I am just I do miss doing talk throughs. I have also tried to cut down on the length of the flip throughs as well, because I try to keep it under 10 minutes, just because I think it'll probably be sufficient enough to showcase, unless it's a really huge collection. And you might probably notice throughout this journal, I'm kind of losing light, so I've been trying to tweak my settings, but I'm not very good at kind of balancing my contrast and my brightness and my exposure and all of it. I'm still learning. And I'm actually using Wondershare Filmora, but if any of you guys have a good recommendation of video editing software, let me know down in the comments below, because I would really love to know. Anyway, I think I will end my talk through here. I'll insert music again, and I hope you like it so far. I just realized I really haven't done this in a long time, so I'm actually running out of things to say. Most of the embellishing are really self-explanatory. Really, I didn't really do much that is different from what I usually do. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you again, guys, and happy belated New Year once more. Bye.